So if you clicked on this video, it probably means you are struggling to get any views on your videos. Many of you guys have been working on YouTube for years but still no results at all. But the question is why people don't watch your videos. There can be several reasons, but the main reasons that matters the most is good video idea and script writing. People quit your videos because they are losing interest and they quit watching your video, which signals YouTube to stop giving impressions. On your videos, studies show that viewers decide to stay or skip any video in the 8 seconds of the start. Today, I will tell you exactly how you can write a good script for your videos, but first I want you to take a look at how my scripts look alike when I write them. Here are some pics of the scripts that I write. Pretty creepy, right? It's not like that when I take copy pen I write it all in a one go. Many times the script is not that much good, so I have to rewrite the whole script, and it took me days to write a good script, because if you have a good script your videos will show results. Let's start with the very beginning. First you need to do topic research. I think a good video topic is the most important step when it comes to creating a good and successful video. If the video idea is boring, no matter how good script you write or how amazing editing you do, no one will watch. So for getting a good video idea, you need to look at your competitor. Let's take an example. If you are a gamer, take a look at the famous creators in your niche and see for what type of their videos are performing the most. After getting good video idea, you need to do research on the topic to clear any doubts that you have and ask yourself, what additional information can I provide, how you can benefit your viewers or entertain your viewers. So now we will start writing our script with a good intro to grab the attention of our viewers. Many people struggle in writing their intro. They don't know how to start their video. I will tell you few points that you have to apply in your intro to hook the attention of your audience. You can start with a question like, did you know that world's largest pizza ever made was 14,000 square feet? Or start with a bold sentence like, we made the world's most biggest pizza ever in the Guinness World Record. Or start with an unfunny joke like, slice of world's biggest pizza was even bigger than me. Give viewers a reason to watch your video by providing them a glimpse of what you promised in your thumbnail. Just like Mr. Beast, whatever he shows on his thumbnail, he provides a little detail about it in the start to make the viewers curious to see what will happen next in the video. Then comes the middle part, the actual content of yours. What you need to do here is write the main points or heading that you want to cover in your video, and then you can easily explain your points and use storytelling technique to convey your message. By storytelling, I mean that keep a good pace in your script, like one point is connecting with the other point, so that viewers can never find when the first point ever ended. For example, I have two headings. We created world's largest pizza. Challenges that we faced, so listen carefully how I will link these 2 points. We created world's largest pizza, which was 14,000 square feet, and its only one piece was bigger than a 6 feet tall man. The pizza looked so good, but we faced a lot of challenges while cutting and serving the pizza. Here you can see I linked these 2 points by storytelling technique. It was only for example, but you can apply same technique in your script. First, write down the main headings of your video, then if possible make subheadings, and then you can explain them very easily. And finally, it's time for an outro. Keep the outro as short as possible because every YouTuber has this massive drop in views in their outro. So finish your outro as fast as you can. In outro, you can leave a lasting impression by summarizing the key points of your video, or you can give a call to action by encouraging your viewers to subscribe your channel by saying subscribe to our channel to never miss any upcoming video. Or you can also end with a cliffhanger of your upcoming video. This will create a sense of curiosity, making them to want more. Just save this video in your watch later because you will need this video in writing your first script. That was all for today. See you all soon, fellas. Bye.